Hello friends, good morning. How are you doing? You're welcome to Easy Maths Tutor. And this class is going to teach us a specific question on WAEC mathematics. So this question we have here, it says in a community, men contribute $P each and women $Q each towards community development. In a week, 3 men and 5 women contributed a total of $9,500. In another week, 5 men and 10 women contributed a total of $17,500. Now the question is find the value of P and Q and find the total amount that will be contributed by 8 men and 12 women. So this question is looking like a simultaneous equation. Now, you know that men contribute $P each. One man will contribute $P, right? One woman will contribute $Q, right? So in the first week, right? Right? Okay, so the first week we have 3 men and 5 women, right? So we have 3 men, that's 3P, plus and 5 women, giving us 9,500, right? Now the second week, we have 5 men and 10 women. I want to introduce us to a channel known as All-in-One Mathematics. So I want you to go right ahead and join that channel and subscribe to that channel, watch all the beautiful videos and be supportive of that channel. So I have the link of that channel in the description section. Thank you so much. Here. So what are we going to do? We're going to solve this simultaneous equation. This is the first equation 1 and this is equation 2. So to make these two equations equal, I'm going to multiply this equation by 5 and multiply this equation by 3. Multiply it will give me 15P, 5 times 3, 5 times 5, 25Q, 5 times 95, use our calculator, gives us what? 47,500. Now multiply this by 3. That's 15P. 3 times 10 is what? 30Q. 3 times 17. 3 times 17, 500. 52,500. 52,500. So now we have a normalized equation that will help us eliminate the value of P. Alright? So I'm going to subtract one side of the equation. I choose this side, okay? So I'm going to subtract, put a minus here. If I put a minus here, it becomes minus 15, minus 25, minus 47. So if we add up these two equations, this becomes 0. 25, 30Q minus 25 will give us 5 cubed. 52,500 minus 47. 5 minus what? 52,500 minus 47,500 will give us 5,000. Hooray! We're seeing an equation very easy and straightforward coming up. So the value of Q will divide both sides by 5, giving us 1,000. Alright? So that means each woman paid $1,000. So how much, what will be the value of P? So you can run to any of these equations and substitute the value of Q and get our value for P. Alright? So at this point, we'll substitute the value of Q, giving us P plus 5,000 equal to 9,500. Right? So we have 3P plus 5,000 equal to 9,500. So 3P is equal to 9,500 minus 5,000. 9,500 minus 5,000 will give us 4,500. Therefore, P will be what? 4,500 divided by 3. So if we cancel 3, we get 1, 500. So the men paid $1,500 each. So we've gotten our first problem. Now the second problem says how much will be contributed by 8 men and 12 women. So men will be 8 times 1,500 and women will be 12 times 1,000. So we use a calculator. 8 times 1,500 gives us 12,000. While 12 times 1,000 gives us 12,000. So if we sum this up, we're going to have what? We're going to have $24,000. And this is the total amount that was contributed by the men, 8 men and 12 women. So these are general mathematics past question paper. So I'm looking for I saw a rather simple question. You know, I like easy questions. I go for the easy ones first. That's question 7b. A boat sails 6 kilometers on a bearing of 040 degrees and then 8 kilometers on a bearing of 100 degrees. I. How far is the boat from its starting point? I. Calculate the bearing of the boat from its starting point. Give your answers to the nearest kilometer and degree. So this question is 12 marks. So we're going to use our math set. So we choose a starting point. We choose this as the starting point. So we're going to take 40 degrees. So we'll use our protractor. We construct 40 degrees. So this is 40 degrees. Alright? Then we're going to extend it 6 kilometers. So we'll choose 6 centimeters as our kilometer. First of all, we'll draw a straight line. Then we measure 6 millimeters. Okay? So this is 6 kilometers, 40 degrees. And then another 8 kilometers. So we have another origin parallel at the second point of the boat, right? So we're going to measure 100. We're going to measure 100, right? So this is 100. This is 100, right? Okay, now let's say starting from here. Let's say this is 100, right? So we're going to extend it another 8 kilometers. Another 8 kilometers. So we'll measure. Sorry about this. Measure. So this will be 8 kilometers. Okay? This will be 8 kilometers. So we have the boat. The boat, right? This is a boat. It sails up and it comes to this point, and then it ends at this point. So the question says, how far is the boat from the starting point? So we're going to join this point and this point. The distance from here to here is what we are looking for. We can do it graphically. So graphically, to be like this. So I join the 2 points and I'm going to measure it and take down the value. So from my measurements, it's 12 centimeters. It's 12 centimeters. So when I use my ruler to measure the distance, I got 12 centimeters, which is translated or converted to 12 kilometers. Then also we need the bearing of the boat from the starting point. That means find this angle. Find out this angle, right? So we'll use our protractor, put it at the origin point, right? And check out what angle cuts through that line. So right now on this part, I'm seeing 75 degrees. So the bearing is 75 degrees from the origin. And so you've answered one special question in your WAEC examination. I wish you success so far. So thank you for watching. I want to say thank you to all our returning subscribers. And if you like what you're seeing here, do not hesitate to click on those buttons down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.